Hello everyone, I welcome you again in another session of PT 2 minutes, and today's question is on writ jurisdiction of the higher courts in India. Read the question very carefully and come up with the right answer. I'll give you some time. Alright, so the question says, if an inferior court has violated the principle of natural justice, then which one of the following writs is suitable for the higher courts to issue? There are 4 writs which are mentioned. First writ is the mandamus, second is prohibition, third is certiorari, fourth is quo warranto. So you all know the writ of mandamus. This is issued in order to basically give orders to do something. Mandamus is a call for activity. So a little bit about writ jurisdiction. So writs were issued earlier by kings in England, and usually kings used to say that this is a document and I'll put a seal on it and this has to be done, because king's words were laws or the orders. So from there we picked this writ jurisdiction, and mandamus is one of the writs where the court says that do this thing because this is your duty. And the second is the opposite of mandamus. This is basically a prohibition that you don't do certain things because it is outside your jurisdiction. So usually prohibition is issued against a lower court where they are supposed to stop doing something. But in this question they are saying that the court has violated the natural justice, the principle of natural justice. So here the writ will be basically certiorari. Certiorari basically picks the case and moves to the higher court. The superior court, the higher court can order a lower court to transfer the case to itself. So this certiorari writ will be issued. The last is quo warranto. This is basically issued when the court asks somebody that you show me the proof because of which you are claiming rights over a public office. For example, you will be recommended by UPSC for appointment of an IAS or IPS or some other post, and then you will get appointment. And if sometimes the case will arise, then you will show these documents to the court that because of this authority I am holding this public office. So this is nothing but quo warranto. So the correct answer will be C. All of you who have marked correct answer, that's certiorari. Congratulations. For most such questions, please follow our channel and watch the playlist in which all the videos of PT 2 minutes are there. And thank you.